Let us continue with virtual machine. In this video, you will learn to download and configure VirtualBox. So basically, VirtualBox is a product of Oracle. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Now, you can open any browser of your choice. Type google.com. And then type VirtualBox. You can see the very first link, downloads. Here you can see all the latest versions of VirtualBox. Depending upon your operating system, you can download the same. If you want to download the older versions, you can see VirtualBox older builds. Now, as we are using the Windows operating system, we will download the Windows version. Now, as we have downloaded the latest version of VirtualBox, now we need to download VirtualBox extension pack, which is needed to support USB and other encryption devices. We have completed the installation of both the files. Now, let's start installation. Please open the first file which you have downloaded. You can see on the screen we have opened the VirtualBox installation wizard. So click next. Next, you can select the path. Click next. Yes. Install. We can see the wizard is installing the VirtualBox on your personal computer. It will take some time. We have finished the installation of VirtualBox. Now click Finish and open the VirtualBox. As you can see on your screen, we have opened the VirtualBox. Now we will add the extensions. Go to the Downloads folder and right click on extension. Open with VirtualBox Manager. You can see on your screen the extensions are already installed on your computer. In some computers, the extensions are not installed. So you just need to click Install button. And even remember one thing, that you need to install as administrator. We have successfully installed the extension pack on our computer. So let us have a quick recap of what we learned in this video. We saw how to download and configure VirtualBox on your personal computer. In the next video, we will download and install Kali Linux on VirtualBox.